Hello, good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. As we are facing the problems due to COVID 19, we should follow some safety rules and stay safe. Myself, Mrs. Smita, teacher from St. Paul's High School, stand up first. Today, I will be teaching you English grammar. So let us start our first topic, alphabetical order. St. Paul's High School, Mira Road East. Under first, subject English grammar, topic alphabetical order. Children, you have already learned English alphabets in senior KG. Just revise the alphabets along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Do you know how many alphabets are there in this picture? Yes, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. There are two ways of writing these 26 letters. First capital letters and second small letters. Alphabetical order is the sequence in which all 26 letters of English alphabets are arranged, and this order is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, this is the order of the English alphabet. All the 26 letters of the alphabets are arranged in this particular order. This is called alphabetical order, or we also call it ABC order. In today's class, you will learn how to arrange letters and words in alphabetical order. Look at the small letters. They are not arranged in alphabetical order. Q, M, V, Z, X. So how are we going to arrange them in alphabetical order? Take a look at the first letter. Now let's start from the first alphabet, A. So is there any letter A? No. B? Yes. So we will write B first. C? No. D? No. E? No. F, G, H, I, J? No. K, L? No. M? Yes. So the next letter is M. N, O, P? No. Q? Yes. R, S, T? No. U, V, W? No. X? Yes. Y? No. And Z? Yes. Correct answer of alphabetical order small letters is B, M, Q, X, Z. Let us practice the next in capital letters. K, M, O, A, T. So let us put them in alphabetical order. The first alphabet is A. So we will write A first. Then B, C, D, no. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, no. L, no. M, yes. The next letter is M. N, no. O, yes. And the last letter is T. Correct answer of alphabetical order is A, K, M, O, T. We have placed capital and small letters in alphabetical order. Children, now you will learn how to arrange words in alphabetical order. Look at this list of words: deer, balloon, apple, cat. This list is not in alphabetical order. To arrange these words in alphabetical order, we will look at the first letter of each word. The word that begins with the letter A comes first, followed by the word begins with the letter B, then C, and then D. So this list in alphabetical order will be like this: apple, balloon, cat, deer. The correct answer of alphabetical order is apple, balloon, cat, deer. Look at the animals in this picture: cat, dog, bear, fox. They are not arranged in alphabetical order. So how do we do it? For that, we look at the first letter of the words. In this case, I have underlined it in red so that you can see it easily. Now, which is the first letter of the English alphabet? A. Can you see any word starting with A? Enough list of words. No, there is no such word. The next comes B. Can you see any word starting with B? Yes. So we are going to write bear first. Next is C. Any word starting with C? Yes. Cat. So the next word we are going to write is cat. Then D. Any word starting with D? Yes. We have dog. So the next word which we are going to write is dog. Any word starting with E? No. With F? Yes. So we are going to write the word fox starting with F. So our next word will be fox. The correct answer of alphabetical order is bear, cat, dog, fox. Now all the animals are arranged in correct alphabetical order. B comes before C, C comes before D, D comes before F. So bear comes before cat, cat comes before dog, and dog comes before fox. Now look at these pictures of fruits. We have to arrange the names of the fruits in alphabetical order. Again, to make it easy for you, I have colored the first letter of the fruits in yellow. The first letter of the English alphabet is A. Can you see any word with letter A in the list? Yes, we can see there is apple. So the first word will be apple. Then comes B. Any word starting with B? Yes, we have banana. So we are going to write banana next. After that, C. Any word with C? No. D? No. E? No. F? No. G? Yes. Yes, we have grapes. So we are going to write grapes. And the last word which is left is mango. So we are going to write mango in the end. Now the fruits are arranged in correct alphabetical order. A comes before B, B comes before G, G comes before M. So first is apple, then banana, then grapes, and then mango. Children, I hope you understand How to arrange the words in alphabetical order? Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. 1. Ship, car, train, bus. Answer. 2. Lamp, box, pencil, chalk. Answer. 3. Table, chair, sofa, office. Answer. 4th. Hen, owl, parrot, crow. Answer. 5th. Tiger, camel, monkey, lion. Children, you have to copy down this homework and write the answers in English grammar 100 pages red and blue notebook and practice this at home. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Take care, stay home and stay safe.